All right, today we are here at Orlando Speed World because that racing channel invited us out. We have Kyle, my co-pilot from Sick Week, as well as the car we took on Sick Week. So Kyle's going from being my co-pilot to being my competitor. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm preparing myself to get my doors blown off by the GT500, which is scarily consistent and makes...
Never no prep.
Yeah, that makes two of us. So this is a no prep event. We're going to be racing on the big end of the track headed towards the prep surface, and I've never done this before. Now, my transmission in the car, for those that remember, is a T56 Magnum. It's face plated and it's a 297 first gear, so it's a close ratio for first, second, and third, but then third to fourth is a big drop. But since it's only an 1/8 mile no prep event, I'm thinking that 1, 2, 3 being close together is actually going to be helpful. However, I don't really know how to set the car up suspension wise. I don't know how to do it tire pressure. So I've kind of just been looking at stuff online, making some minor adjustments based on what people recommend, and we'll just see how it goes. We're here to have fun, and to be honest, I haven't filmed the Cobra in a little while, and I'm really excited to do so. Plus, I'm excited to get out here and bang some gears with the transmission, which I'll kind of give you a little Easter egg, may not be in there for very much longer. So let's get to it. Well, that's going to wrap up our first no prep event. You know, car kind of responded exactly how I thought it would. It spun like crazy. I mean, it's really not set up for no prep. To be honest, it's really not perfectly set up for prep surfaces. So we have to do a lot of suspension and bar angle changes and stuff like that. But I did beat Kyle's GT500, which is the one thing I'm happy about. So what I do want to talk about what happened. We almost didn't do anything. We almost had a really bad day. So when I was backing out of the shop this morning, this tire was like dragging going in reverse, and going forward it'd be fine. But come to find out, the bottom bolt that bolts the caliper to the bracket had fallen out, and it was just on the upper bolt. So when I would go backwards, the caliper would dig into the rotor and stop the rotor from spinning. Well, I backed it up at the beginning of the event to line up the cars, and the upper bolt snapped. So I had to go to O'Reilly's, grab a bunch of hardware. We wound up getting it fixed. Fortunately, it wasn't a big deal, but that's it. Gonna wrap it up here and see you guys in the next one. Peace.